Hey YouTubers, it's Rob Moffat. Good morning. This is a quick tip about how I get more water in my diet. I'm supposed to drink more water for reasons of kidney stones and so on. And it's hard to just drink plain water through the day. What I do is I make ginger tea at night before I go to bed, put it in the microwave, then it seeps overnight. Next day I have the glass full with ice cubes, no sugar. And when it gets down to the bottom, there's still a lot of ginger left. So instead of throwing that away and making a new glass, I just fill it up with more water and ice cubes. And then it's like a flavored water. And then I'll have it again. I can do it 3 or 4 times and it's still as more like a flavored water. So it's not really a cost saving thing because this costs nothing practically. What it is just, it's a way to get more water in my diet. I found to be very easy, simple to do, and it's actually enjoyable. It has a nice flavor to it, and it's something that it's easy to incorporate into my diet. It's a very small change to make, and it's enabled me to have a lot more water than before. Hope this is something helpful to you. I put out new videos every week. Been doing it for 14 years. Got almost 1,100 videos now. All right, guys, take care. See you out there. There you go.